Hello guys, hey Mandase, Moleni. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a new vlog, guys. And today it's a Sunday and I'm opening up a new vlog for a new week. If you're new here, my name is Sake. Welcome to my returning service. Welcome back, my dolls. Welcome back, my day ones. So guys, as you have seen on the previous vlog, I went to Pick n Pay clothing and I got some stuff there. So today I thought, let me show you. Mandini bonise guys, ndithengele ishushu ke sana. Ishushu, it's good for winter. Ndifume nenge 160 big special. Impisa price from Bikati ndithenge kunye nalena ntleke sana. I love the detailing on the collar. It's very cute. Nayo it was R99, but I got it for 160. And then Tenga is bootsy, and it's my purchase. Tenga is hlangu pa. Zange nazithenga pha ihlangu. I hope zizongiphatha kakuhle. Zona bezi 359. I hope zizoba right. Ndizifumene size 6 zishushu ngaphakathi. Yeah, ndazithengela netsono. So guys, ndivula le vlog intsha, nizanibona tomorrow. Bye. Hello guys, molweni Mandase. Sana, today is a Monday and ndiyavuka ngoku. Ndisandovuka okobe ndilele imini yonke. Shini mandizisebenzise kaloku ezi rest days. Ndiphumle. 4 days off. Iyaphela ke sana ngomso. Iyaphela lebe ndiyikhwaza ndisithi nanso di off. Iyaphela ke sana, ndiyazi ba idliwa ngubani. The time now, ixesha nangu 5:51 PM ke sana. Ndiyavuka okobe ndilele. So into endizoyenza ngoku ndizokwenza i-ironing. So ayina i-uniform yethu. Into endiyenzayo ndi-ayina i-uniform for i-shift yonke. Andifuna umane ndivuke ekuseni kuninge ndi-ayinile ndithini. Ndike ndiyenze ironing these ayine zonke, and then ekuseni xa sivukayo umuntu athathe nje ngothatha anxibe. Ngabe ndizama uzicuthela ixesha lam ekuseni, ndingabe ndi-ayina, ndithathe nje ukwenza i-breakfast, sitye, sihamba siphangele. So yeah guys, let's do the ironing. you guys are still good. I hope you guys are still enjoying. Okay guys, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Good night. Hey guys, I'm rushing this OOTD. I'm wearing my boots from Pick and Pay Clothing. Pick and Pay jeans from H&M, and this top is from Pick and Pay Clothing, and the from Woolies. Yeah, masamben. Hey guys, ndifikile ke ngoku emall ndizothenga izinto ze-breakfast anenwanzi uhamba nani na, but into ibishota ibingamaqandisi kakhulu, so ndizojonga wona. Yeah, see you xa ndibuyile endlini. Bye.
Oh, ay. Oh, ay.
Sayas. Ay, sayas. Akasayihoya. We are done with shopping. Sigqibile ushopisha. Now sisebheka King sizotha. Si-update abantu bethu siphi sikwa-macro sizothenga ntoni kade ibizela nto humidifier, sizojonga i-dehumidifier kwa-macro. Sisokoliswa mold. I hope izasinceda guys. Yeah.
Like that. Oh, he's that. He's like.
Day one. Ziikawusi zikamama. Yi. Kuthiwa zintoni zona akazibiza exaleni i-diffuser. I-diffuser. Khasifumana i-dehumidifier. Safumana i-diffuser. Siphi into ezinokufaka amanzi. Kuthiwa ugalela amanzi ufake ezi flavors, ezi oil. Nansi eyokuqala. I-Citronella Natural Essential Oil. Nantoni ne-lemongrass Natural Essential Oil. Ne-car perfume. Yeah, bro. Ntoni? Hayi baziphelele nto. Oh. Nezihlangu zam. 139. Sendizinxibile. Namaqanda lawa. iyatshintsha ithi lead night light 6 continuous color changing. Maybe iyazitshintsha. Damn. Change another colors. Hey guys, we are back home. Today we went to Checkers for uthenga izinto ze breakfast, and then we went to KwaMacro siyojonga i-dehumidifier for sikuthwa mold apha endlini, especially in our bedroom. So besiyojonga yona KwaMacro, but we couldn't find it. They said we must they said we should order it online. So saqonda masithenge into ke ngoku sibe sibambisa nje, sasithenga la diffuser neza essential oils ezibenibonile on the previous clip mina mebezi unboxer. So yeah guys, I think that's it for today. I will see you on Friday because tomorrow I'm working the sebenza day on Wednesday, Thursday, and then I will see you on Friday. Qala night shift Friday and Saturday, and then on Saturday ndizo edit again vlog, and then on Sunday be live. Sunday 7 o'clock. This last week the previous vlog I made a mistake. I uploaded it for 12 o'clock on Sunday kesana, but yo views ziyezehla, so I think la 7 o'clock yanisebenzela, so ndizawusebenzisa yena every Sunday at 7 o'clock siyakhupha vlogs. If you haven't subscribed yet, please just click on the subscribe button to become part of the family. Please guys, join the family. And then to my subscribers, if you subscribe and then our press a notification button, please press a pagla notification button so that you can be notified when they upload a video. Thank you so much guys for your support. I really appreciate my new subscribers. Welcome. I hope you guys nizohlala apha ekhaya kumnandi apha. Bye guys, see you on the next day, or bye.